It is snowing like crazy. In the distance, you can't see. So I'd say we have a couple hundred feet of visibility, and I'm driving about 20. Winter in Wisconsin can be such fun. Bye now.
They cut it all like right off at the roots. They just must have snapped or something. You can get an idea just how massive this dirt clump is. So there you go. Woo!
Hi everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of winter life in Wisconsin. We've done a lot of work with this latest snowstorm, and yeah, we got another one. And we cleared that up, and we let our dogs run out and play because they love the snow. And we even were silly. We had a snowball fight, and we did some snow angels. So we acted like kids, and we had fun, even though it was a lot of work. It was nice. We treated ourselves also to Cracker Barrel. Watch that part because it is funny. My husband he's something else. So on that note, thank you again for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this series of Winter Life in Wisconsin. And we'll hope to see you soon. And we're going to continue once a week doing what's going on in our lives. Winter is starting to kind of let go a little bit. Spring is around the corner. And hopefully you'll enjoy this. Okay, thank you. Talk later. Bye.
Almost got you that time. I don't think we're going to win any snow off my forest. The snow's just a little not packy enough. Oh, no, you didn't. Damn. It's cold out here. Oh. Hey, why don't you drop and make a snow angel?
Huh?
Come over here and make a snow angel. You can take a picture of it. How's it been since you made a snow angel?
A long time.
Or in my case, I'd make a snow devil. Put up. Okay. Oh, fuck. I mean, darn. Oh, it's a little bit, what do I call that? Icy. Icy. Ah.
The clouds are so beautiful. Huh? Like 5 degrees. This is wonderful. Yeah.
Let's see if we can give the viewers at home a picture of our angels.
I think yours was better.
I think we made one somewhere here.
I need a hot beverage.
Me too. A nice ice hot beer.
Clouds. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Honey, we must be a Cracker Barrel.
Crack, bro. Can't start my diet today.
Why can't you start? That's funny, huh? My husband is so happy right now. He just ate a Cracker Barrel. Now he's ready for a nap.
Yep. Old man playing checkers.
Okay, what you got?
Kingdom.
No, it doesn't work that way. This isn't
Make a move and stick with it.
this isn't Bad Santa. Behave. Come on. What you got? Hi everyone. As you can see, we're playing checkers here at Cracker Barrel. With our busy work schedule and our crazy life with 2 wild and crazy puppies, we finally got a break to go out to eat and run a few errands while the dogs are at grooming. So we hope you enjoy this silly little bit here of us playing checkers, and I sped it up so it went rather quickly. We hope you enjoy this nonsense, and we'll get back to the property. Thanks. Going very good right now.
So it started good, so now I'm going to just put a little bit bigger pieces on, and then eventually I'll put real big pieces on. Now once you think you've got a good enough draft, you can actually start closing the door a little bit. Let's just show you here how it's going to be. And if you see it smoking up too much, we'll smoke it up a little bit yet. So we don't have a great draft yet, so I'm going to leave it open a little bit longer until we get some bigger pieces in there. Like I said, it's pretty cold today, so it takes a little bit to get a good draft going on a day when it's real cold. But in a couple of minutes, we'll be ready to put the big pieces on.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we hope to see you again next week. This will be a continuing video series, and we hope you enjoy it. And if there's something you want to see here in Wisconsin that we haven't shown you yet, just let us know. Okay, take care. Sending you all love and happiness and joy. Bye now.